Here's Google Maps new update, and I'm sure this will blow your mind. Check this out.
Say I'm in New York City and I want to go on a bike ride, and I want to get a feel for it first. Click on Immersive View for routes, and it's an entirely new way to look at my journey. I can zoom in to get an incredible bird's eye view of the ride, and as we turn, we get onto a great bike path. It looks like it's going to be a beautiful ride. You can also check today's air quality. Looks like AQI is 43, pretty good. And if I want to check traffic and weather and see how they might change over the next few hours, I can do that. Looks like it's going to pour later, so maybe I want to get going now.
This Google Maps update will be launched in India by next year. And if you like this video, do follow Dashicom for more AI updates.